forget fidget spinners. The hottest trend these days is AI. Google's new project, Gemini, is shaking things up. It's not the zodiac sign, silly. And no, it's not here to predict your love life, although it might just write you the cheesiest pickup lines ever. Get ready to be mind-blown and have your jaw drop, because Gemini is poised to be the next big thing in text processing, potentially leaving ChatGPT in the dust. That's a big claim, I know, so let's dive in and explore this hot issue. This is NextGen AI Visions, where the future of humanity and technology meet. We are here to guide you through the wonders and weirdness of artificial intelligence. Welcome to Google's new AI project, Gemini, Generative Enhanced Multimodal Intelligent Network Interface. Is it really as promising as they make it sound? Let's get to know what it can do. Recently, it was announced at the Google I/O conference that Gemini marks a significant advancement in AI. It can generate and interpret not just one data type, but tons of different ones. It can also interact with humans and systems through text, images, audio, and video. That's pretty cool, isn't it? To add some sparkle to Gemini's credentials, let's spill the beans on its brainy creators. Did you know that Google DeepMind is the mastermind behind Gemini? If you're scratching your head wondering who they are, let me enlighten you with some nerdy gossip. Google DeepMind is an AI research powerhouse founded by the genius Demis Hassabis. These are the same tech wizards who brought us AlphaGo, a super smart AI that didn't just play the game of Go, but totally defeated a Go world champion. How did it pull off such a feat? By using reinforcement learning to elevate its strategic prowess. And just so you know, the game of Go is anything but easy. It's incredibly complex, with more possible moves than there are atoms in the universe. For an AI to master and conquer, it is nothing short of mind-blowing. Talk about leveling up. But wait, there's more. For Gemini, DeepMind isn't just interested in game nights. Their mission? To create an AI that can understand and generate natural language. Yep, the very words and ways we humans communicate. Imagine chatting with an AI that gets you. You might find it hard to distinguish whether you are talking to a human or an AI. Good luck with guessing. Of course, technological advancements won't be fun without comparisons, would they? Gemini was claimed to become better than ChatGPT at text processing and content generation. Is it a fact or a bluff? Are you excited to know? Oh well, before that comparison, let's have a quick recap about ChatGPT and what it can do. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, stands out in the AI landscape for its remarkable versatility. Whether you need a song composed, a complex question answered, or a story crafted, ChatGPT can deliver with just a prompt. It is no wonder that students facing tight deadlines have become accustomed to relying on its capabilities to produce high-quality outputs efficiently. Imagine this: you have a looming deadline for a creative writing assignment or a research paper. Instead of staring blankly at your screen, you feed ChatGPT a prompt, and within moments, it generates coherent paragraphs that capture the essence of your topic. This ability not only saves time, but also sparks creativity by offering fresh perspectives and ideas. Moreover, ChatGPT isn't just about generating text. It excels in simulating human-like conversations. Interacting with ChatGPT-4 feels remarkably natural, as it comprehends context and responds with relevant and coherent dialogue. This makes it not only a tool for completing assignments, but also a companion for engaging in discussions on various topics. Now, with ChatGPT-4, OpenAI has raised the bar even higher by integrating multimodal capabilities. This means it can handle prompts that include not only text, but also images, enabling richer and more interactive outputs. For instance, you can describe a scene, and ChatGPT-4 can generate a detailed narrative accompanied by visual descriptions based on the input provided. So, which one is your bet? Type in ChatGPT if you have more confidence in it, and Gemini if you're into the new AI. Let us make some noise in the comment section below. It would be fun knowing your sides. Without further ado, let's have them head to head. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, tech enthusiasts of all ages, welcome to the ultimate AI showdown. In the red corner, we have the versatile veteran, ChatGPT. A round of applause, please. And in the blue corner, the new kid on the block with a specialty in text processing, Gemini. A round of applause, please. Let's get ready to rumble. Ding ding ding. Round 1. Fight! ChatGPT is like that multi-tool you have in your drawer. Super handy and can do a bit of everything. Need an essay? Done. Want a poem about cats? You got it. But here's the catch. It's a jack of all trades, master of none. Sometimes it fumbles with accuracy and clarity, and its conversations can be a bit, well, shallow. But wait, what's this? Gemini steps into the ring with a laser focus on text processing and content generation. This AI isn't here to play games. It's here to deliver knockout punches of reliable, clear, and original content. Need reasons for its answers? Gemini's got you covered. Want a diverse, engaging content? Check. Plus, it learns and improves from past experiences, making it a heavyweight contender in this battle. Round after round, Gemini proves its mettle. It's not just talking the talk, it is walking the walk with precise, deep, and meaningful interactions. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Drumroll, please. The winner, by a landslide in the text processing and content generation category, is Gemini. Indeed, Google's AI just had a comeback. Before, it was faced with challenges such as ethical issues and privacy breaches. Remember the chatbot Bard that was immediately shut down? Well, look at Google's AI now. They have learned their lesson by applying new principles for responsible AI development. Let's pause for a moment to appreciate the implications of this. Ethical AI development is crucial in today's tech world. With great power comes great responsibility. Google is now focusing on transparency, user privacy, and ensuring their AI tools are used for good. This is a significant shift and one that could shape the future of AI. But let's get back to our showdown. While Gemini seems to be a strong contender, it's important to remember that both Gemini and ChatGPT are heavyweights, each with unique strengths. Gemini isn't here to replace ChatGPT, but to offer a new AI avenue. So, which side are you on? ChatGPT or Gemini? Drop your vote in the comments below. We would love to know your thoughts. And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed our AI showdown. And as always, thank you so much for watching. For more updates about the world of AI and quirky tech tidbits, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned and see you on the next one.